In this fourth tutorial, we are going to see how to add Indian languages in OLED display. Please watch tutorial number 1, 2 and 3 before this tutorial. Their links are given in the description. In this tutorial, we are going to add Devnagari script in our OLED display. Lot of languages like Marathi, Hindi, Konkani or Bhojpuri and also Sanskrit are written in Devnagari script, and we are going to use Shivaji 02 font. There are many fonts for Devnagari script, but you can use other also. We are going to use Shivaji 02 font. Same method can be used to add other Indian languages like Tamil, Telugu and many more. In last tutorial, we saw how to print English characters. In that, we use simple method, that is sending character one after another. That is, to print this cat, we first send C, then we put some space, then we send A, then we send T. But it is not the case in Devnagari script, because in Devnagari script there are some composite words also that are made from more than one characters. See this word, it is made from K, Y, A and A. If we print this on OLED, that will print like this. If we use same method that was used for printing English characters, so this is how it will be printed, and we are not expecting this. Solution for this is decreasing space between characters. That is, here this is one of the method, but problem with this method is some pixels, some lighted pixels of this previous character are overlapped by some unlighted pixels of next character. Some pixels of this K are masked by some pixels of Y, so there is gap between two character. Also, you can see here this line is not connected to this line because because some pixels of this year are masked by some pixels of this so we can't use this method. We need some improvement in this method. So this is solution number 2, OR operation at the overlap. This is how our last method print Devnagari on OLED. This is without OR operation. Here we saw there is overlap, here also overlap, and so we will do OR operation at the overlap. Here there are overlap between two characters. We will do OR operation of these pixels and this pixel. If one of the pixel of two character is lighted, then in OR operation that will be lighted. Hence output will be like this, and this is what we are expecting. Now we will implement this method in controller, but there are some problems, like we can write in OLED display but we can't read what is there in OLED display. We sent K first. Now we want to send this ear and we want to connect this K to this ear. For that we need to do OR operation of these rightmost pixels with leftmost pixels of ear, and that OR operation will be done in controller. So controller need to know what is there at this in this matrix, but controller can't read the OLED display pixels, so we can't do OR operation in controller. Solution to this problem is declaring a screen buffer. Screen buffer is a 2D array which stores what is printed on the display. Whatever we send to the display, there is one copy kept in 2D array. So we can access what is printed on the display through this screen buffer. Now we will do OR operation of the new character with previous in this screen buffer, and after OR operation it will be like this, and then copy of new character is sent to the OLED, and it will be seen like this. So this is what we are expecting. So our second method is working. Now we will create a font. Open GLCD software, then go to File, then New Font, then import an existing system font. Then I am selecting Shivaji 02 font. Then font style is normal. Then size I am selecting 22. Then check this all check marks. Then 32 to 127. Press OK. These are the characters in Devnagari font. Now I am going to do some edits in this font, because some characters are not displayed well, like this for capital I. Now go to this small I, then copy this, then go to capital I and paste here, and then flip and press Ctrl S. Also I am going to extend this line. Now go to export for GLCD, then select micro C. Now this is the hex code for our font. Now copy this full array in between two curly braces. Now go to Arduino program. This is same program that was used in last tutorial. I did some small changes that I will explain. Now paste our array in this data array. Now we will see what are the small changes done. Here character vertical pages require are 4, because vertical pixels are, here you can see vertical, these are the horizontal 24 horizontal columns required, and 26 vertical pixels. For 26 pixels it will require 4 pages, that is 4 bytes. So here we declared vertical pages equal to 4. Then number of bytes required, we calculated in last tutorial. We saw its method to calculate, that is 24 into 4 plus 1, that is 97. Then first character ASCII code is 32. Here you can see 32 first character. Then here we declared screen buffer. As we here saw, we need screen buffer, that is 2D array, that is declared here. It is 128 columns and 8 pages. 128 columns and 8 pages. Now we will see what are the small changes in other functions. There is no any change in print character function. In print string there are some changes. Here we are changing spacing between two characters with respect to the previous character and the current or a current character. You can adjust this if font is not printed well on the display. Then then there is no other change. Now one thing to know is our character accept only 8-bit data and ASCII code from 32 to 127. Now we need to convert our font into English equivalent characters. So we will pass this character to OLED and OLED will print these characters. For that you need to download Shivaji font. Shivaji font keyboard. You need to download this image. Now we can see here our English keyboard and equivalent characters in Devnagari. Here character at bottom corresponds to small k and character at top corresponds to capital K. Now consider we want to print this Hindi word. This is made up of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. For this character, equivalent English character is here. We can see small I. So we need to send small I. Then for her, we need to send small h. For n, we need to send small n. For the, we need to send small d. And for this character, it is on top, so we need to send capital I. Here there is change. Now we will send this string to OLED IHNDI. So here we are printing IHNDI, and now we will see output on our display. This will be the output on OLED. With same font that I used, you can print Marathi language also. For more details and this source code, you can visit blog. Its link is given in the description. And please subscribe to my channel.